Quietly, HNT's daily volume remains at $6,134,484. Contrary to conventional belief, Helium is a math that typically exhibits a very downward trend. At the time, $5.02 was believed to represent a medium-term ceiling for Helium prices. As for the HNT support floor, they believed that it was currently $4.27. On the 8th of May, 2023, we'll walk you through how much Helium costs now and a week from now in this video. We will attempt to answer these frequently asked inquiries in order to help you comprehend some crucial issues. What is typically a short-term cost estimate for Helium is almost undoubtedly a prudent and HNT investment, conducted in a low-key manner. Helium support and resistance levels, etc., to a significant degree. Before we delve too deeply into the HNT technical analysis, let's discuss the current economic climate. According to market analysis, Helium has a medium-term resistance at $5.02, or so they believed. Ethereum has only 16.33% of the entry market, while Bitcoin has 46.94%. As far as HNT support floor was concerned, they believed it was 4.27, resulting in a 4.43% decline in Bitcoin's price to $27,561.87. After losing 0.77% of its value, Coco's BCX fell to 60 cents, a significant change. These events indicate that the market is presently, and in all practical respects, moving in an extremely temporary and downward direction. The value of all digital currencies has decreased by 1.84% over the past 24 hours, bringing the cumulative loss to 1.84%. Importantly, support is the price level where buyers become more active and prevent the coin's price from declining further. Similarly, resistance is a level at which vendors become more active and prevent the coin's price from increasing. The actual quantities of support and opposition for the execution of Helium are as follows. The type of daily illustration of Helium indicates that the HNT price typically decreases rapidly, with a 0.34 decrease over the past 24 hours. This indicates how near the Helium support and resistance levels are to one another. Realistically, the overall daily picture of Helium reveals that the HNT price has a very downward trend with a 0.34% decline and a very downward trend. Based on the market price, the majority of people believed that the value of the Helium coin would remain around $3.50 after approximately 24 hours. During the past week, the price of HNT changed by $12.01, but the trading volume was only $6,134,484, indicating that the market is generally declining dramatically. What is the cost of a Helium value test? Examination for the 8th of May, 2023 inside a truly day-to-day time span is made sense of beneath, demonstrating how these occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market is going in a sort of descending bearing for generally momentary in an unpretentious way. We utilize relative strength index, moving pretty normal assembly and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including most certainly fundamental moving averages. While HNT's Williams percent R marker generally is at 69.632 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition, an exchange sort of sign truly is by and large conceivable at this reach, which generally demonstrates that HNT cost changes 12.01% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume is drifting around $6,134,484. Demonstrating how these events particularly indicate that the market is going in a fundamentally descending direction for the time being, which is especially crucial. The MACD line is in a real sense below the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, demonstrating how, however, prior to delving deeply into the HNT technical analysis, let us generally discuss the especially current economic situations exhibit. Investors must await a change in direction on the daily chart indicating that HNT's daily volume remains constant at $6,134,484. RSI suggesting close oversold stage while exchanging at 36 and most certainly is attempting to in every practical sense break out of the negative zone by and large further appearance how HNT cost changes 12.01 throughout the week while the exchanging volume is floating around $6,134,484 USD showing how these occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a genuinely descending course for genuinely present moment truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. The helium certainly has generally break all its really upholds levels and things for the most part are not looking especially great for the crypto market, which truly shows that helium for the most part has a medium-term opposition at $5.02 in an unpretentious manner. Presently generally bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively explicitly take HNT cost underneath the critical help level of 4.27 exhibiting how the MACD line really is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid showing how yet prior to jumping exceptionally profound into the HNT specialized examination certainly let us in a real sense discuss the extremely current economic situation exhibiting the helium in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $5.02 certainly in spite of mainstream thinking ends helium basically has truly barely any recuperation risks and could explicitly keep testing prompt obstruction level of 4.78 cents before very long, which in a real sense shows that while HNT's Williams % are marker fund. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the U.S. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the U.S. are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest U.S. retail sales numbers. As inflation goes down, sales are expected to go up by 0.8% in April, after going down for 2 months in a row. Tuesday, BTC/USD went from a high of $27,646.35 to a low of $26,878.95 during the same day. The price of Bitcoin has since gone back up, and it is now worth $27,097.23. The main reason for today's drop seems to be that the Relative Strength Index, RSI, failed to break out at 42.00. The index is currently moving around 41.06, with a floor of 38.00 as a possible goal if momentum keeps going down.